The CalTest Electronics CT4422 is a DMM kit with enhanced safety as its focus. The kit includes CalTest CT4300 fused probes, CT4439 medium alligator clip adapters, and CT3754 silicone jacketed test leads. For safety, the probe's compact bodies feature an internal 1000-volt 500 milliamp fast-acting ceramic fuse, which can cut power in the event of a transient overvoltage, thereby protecting equipment and, more importantly, personnel working in high-energy environments. The closer the fuse is to the test point, the higher the level of protection. The fused probe is rated 1000 volts Cat 3, 600 volts Cat 4, and features a unique locking tip cover. With this cover in place, only 4 millimeters of the tip is exposed, thereby reducing short circuits and arc flash risks while working in high-category environments. In lower-energy Cat 2 environments, removing the tip cover allows access to its 2 by 19 millimeter tip for general probing or attachment of the kit's fully insulated Alligator clips. These standard-size Alligator clips are also rated to 1000 volts Cat 3, 600 volts Cat 4 for enhanced protection. For more information, see our website at caltestelectronics.com.